Introducing Zmodo Greet Pro, a Wi-Fi doorbell and smart home hub. Featuring an ultra-wide 180-degree field of view. Dual-band Wi-Fi makes connecting to your router fast and easy. Hear your chime anywhere with the included Zmodo Beam. Beam also works as a Wi-Fi range extender, ensuring the Greet has great signal. See who's at the door and even speak with them, all through the Zmodo app.
Hi.
Hi, I've got a delivery for Mrs. Anderson.
Great, just leave it at the door, thanks.
Okay, no problem.
Greet saves video clips when motion is detected, even if nobody rings. Can't answer a door right away? Greet supports pre-recorded messages to play to your visitors.
Sorry, I can't come to the door right now. Please give me a call if it's urgent.
Review all your alerts in the Zmodo app. They're stored safely in the cloud for access up to 36 hours later. And when you don't want to be disturbed, Greet can be scheduled to silence the chime for a peaceful night of sleep. Zmodo's wireless cameras are compatible with our new cloud recording service. Each camera includes a free 30-day trial. Choose between our 7- and 30-day recording plans. Access your footage anywhere. Security is always the priority. That's why Zmodo's cloud recording uses bank-level encryption to protect your video.